Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to embed an image into a web page. In a previous tutorial we went over how to edit text in a page using the JCE Wiki Editor, and in this tutorial we are going to look at how to use the same JCE Editor to embed an image into the page. The image that I would like to embed into the page is the best price image that I'm highlighted here, and I would like to embed it in the top right hand corner of this page right here, so appearing somewhere in this area over here, and I want it right aligned to the page. So let's look at how we can do this. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the back end of Joomla and look for my page. In order to do this, I simply get the title of this page here, Create Web Design, copy it, and run it through my Article Manager filter. And I click Go. And now that should bring up the page I'm looking for, which is right there. I click on it and open up my article editor. Once I'm in the article editor, I can see the text of the page. I click on the first line of text, or anywhere that I would actually like to place my image. In this case, I'd like to place it right at the top, so I click the first line of text right here, and then I click on the image tab, which is located right here. Once I click on the image tab, a dialog box pops up. And now I see all the folders in my server or in my images directory. I can either select a particular folder to save my image into, because now I'm going to have to upload the image I just showed you, which is the best price image, onto the server so that I can put this into the Joomla website. So let's do that right now. Once I'm in here, there's an upload tool located right here that I click, and it brings up another dialog box. I then browse to the image on my desktop, and I click the upload button. You can see the image is actually uploading right there. Once the image is uploaded, a thick confirmation will appear. I then cancel out of this, and as you can see, that image has been uploaded to a location on my server. I then select the image by clicking on it. You will see immediately that the URL has been updated as soon as I click that. The dimensions of the image has been set up. All text automatically set up. Margins, I'm going to set the margins to 0, but you can set them also to 20. Actually, let's set them to 20 right now. A brief demo can be of the image, and its placement can be seen on the right hand side over here. You can use this as a guiding tool. I now then want this image to be placed on the right hand side of the page. So very simply, I select the alignment and set the alignment to right, and you can see how the image will basically right aligned on the page right here. I'm going to set the borders of this image to 0, as I do not want a border to this. It's always good to set this up. And after doing so, I now click Insert. Once I click Insert, you can see that Joomla has placed this image within the WYSIWYG editor on the page and right aligned it just like how I wanted it. I then click the Apply tab so that this changes can be made onto the server, and that's now saved. So I pop back to the front end of the website and refresh the page just to make sure that my image is placed in the right position as I wanted it to be. And there you have it. The image is placed in the top right hand corner of the page, just like I wanted it to be. Note that the image tool has a number of different settings that we haven't gone over, but which it is also self-explanatory. Feel free to explore these items such as rollover and the advanced tab. They're all fairly standard and straightforward. I hope this tutorial has helped you in understanding how to upload an image to your web page in Joomla.